So let's talk about warranty. Warranty is an important consideration with any purchase. I mean, after all, it's what protects us in the event that something goes wrong. The K8 comes with a 5-year parts and labor warranty. The Vesta H2 comes with AlkaViva's Honest limited lifetime warranty. It's 5 years parts and labor and then parts for life. Now, all ionizer companies have warranty exclusions, not just Enagic and AlkaViva. It's usually the things that are out of the control of the manufacturer. Things like electrical surges, natural disasters, if we accidentally knock the ionizer off our kitchen counter, and damages caused by source waters. Enagic goes a step further and puts some of the warranty responsibility back on you. They will actually void your warranty if you fail to do the manual cleaning, which is they recommend to do every 2 weeks and takes about 3 hours, and the annual deep cleaning service, where you actually have to disconnect your ionizer, box it up, and send it into their factory and pay to have them clean it for you. AlkaViva doesn't have any maintenance requirements. In addition to that, Enagic will void your warranty if you install the ionizer in any way other than with the included diverter valve. AlkaViva gives you 4 installation options. All of them are covered by the warranty. So to sum it up, 5 years parts and labor with required maintenance and 1 installation option, or the AlkaViva warranty with no maintenance requirements and 4 installation options. Pretty clear choice to me.